What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, another Grom little upgrade here. I'll be getting rid of these antenna mirrors. Definitely pretty ugly, sticking way out there. I got some cheap Amazon bar end mirrors, so hopefully these aren't too bad taking off. I know these screws can be a pain sometimes, but we're gonna go ahead and get those other ones put on here, get these ones taken off. Here they are, they're red to match the build, but just some cheap ones off Amazon. Should look pretty good. Alright, so I got one on here. This is kind of what it's going to look like. But I need to go get some, either order some spacers or get a few washers to put in between there, because they're kind of flush with the grip. So I mean, that grip wouldn't be bad, but the throttle grip would sandwich it and wouldn't really let it move or snap back, so that's no good. Alright, so I got these mirrors on now. I went and just got some spacers from the hardware store. Well, washers, but they act like spacers. This one you can see in there, kinda. I just got two on each side right now. Seems to do the job. And I didn't get a video of taking the stock mirrors off, but you just have to pull that little rubber boot up and then just use a wrench. I just went from the bottom one because the top one is reverse thread, sandwiched to the little mounting one to the bottom. But I just took the bottom one off and took it off as one piece. I do have some plugs for these little holes on the way. I just got them off Amazon, some cheap little screws just to plug up those holes to make it look better. But I think it looks a lot better without those big old mirrors sticking off of it. So here's the plugs for the stock mirror holes. Got these off of Amazon. You can get any color really. Say Grom on them. Just look better than having holes there, or the silver adapters from the mirrors sticking out there. So I'm gonna get these put on, probably put a little bit of blue Loctite on there, just because they're screw in and you can't really tighten them with a wrench or nothing, so just keep them in there so they don't fall out. So I'll put those in there and then I'll show you what they look like.